Also for today's video, I decided to do this full cut crease with a glitter. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. So if you guys want to see how I recreated this look, then please keep on watching. Starting off, I am going to prime my eyes, and what I'm using to prime my eyes is the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair. I'm taking my Morphe x JACLYN Hill JH41 brush to blend that out. And I'm doing patting motions. I am taking it a bit higher as today I'm doing a full cut crease. I'm actually going to be using tape so I can get a sharp, precise edge. I'm gonna start with a Morphe x JACLYN Hill JH39 brush. I'm using the Morphe 3502 palette for this look, and I'm going to take shade right here. I'm tapping off the excess for my brush. I'm going in right above my crease. Oh, I forgot my tape. I'm so all over the place. I haven't filmed in forever, and then I'm also trying out my new camera. I'm filming with that today, so it's just a little different. It's a different setup for sure. So just putting it in the back of my hand and then making sure I take the tackiness off, so when I put it on my eye and I pull it off, it doesn't hurt. And then to do the full cut crease, I'm just kind of taking it kind of like a U shape, following that little crease. So now I'm taking this flat brush from BHCOSMETICS, and I'm taking that same color on this brush and I'm just applying it towards the bottom to create more definition. So now taking a Morphe M562 brush, and I'm going to start blending that upward. I bought this brush from Michael's craft store, and it's from Simply Simmons, and it's a spotter brush, and I guess the measurements are 10-0. Let's try and do the black. And then again, just tapping the excess, and I'm gonna take it at the bottom to make sure that when I do cut my crease, I have enough definition and it actually doesn't come off when I cut it. Back in with the M562 by Morphe, and I'm gonna blend that. I'm taking the Morphe x JACLYN Hill JH40. I'm going back in with the Morphe x JACLYN JH39 Dome brush, and I'm going in with the first brown shade that we used, and I'm just taking some more in so I can blend the back in with my Morphe M562 brush and just blending those out. So I went ahead and I did the other eye off camera. What I didn't do is just cut my crease, so that's what I'm going to be doing right now. And I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape. The three brushes I'm going to be using to cut my crease is the Morphe M170-4SH, and it's just like a flat brush. And then the Morphe M421, another flat brush. This one's a little bit more stiff and thicker. And then the last one is the Michael's spotter brush, and that's by Simply Simmons, and that's the 10-0. This is to get really precise in there. So I always like to use the back of my hand as my palette. So I'll apply some concealer in the back of my hand. I'll start with the Morphe M170 brush. I like to do in little patting motions just because, I mean, this is like you're doing surgery here, you know? You have to be precise. I feel like this is the longest time I hold my breath so freaking hard. So I did mess up, so I'm just going to take this little flat brush right here and I'm just going to blend in the concealer. So I'm taking the Morphe times a James Charles palette and I'm taking the shade right here, Flashback, with a flat brush. And I'm just gonna go right underneath that. So taking the same steps and the same shades, I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on my lash line as well. I'm gonna switch over to a flat brush. I'm taking the Morphe M507 to blend that out. And then taking a liner brush and then taking the shade Black to add definition just right on the lash line. Taking the same dome brush and just blending that out. So now I'm going back with that same white eyeshadow that we used from the Morphe times James palette. So I'm going to go ahead and take it right on top of the work that we just put on to make it cleaner. So now I'm going to go ahead and remove the tape. This is what we have so far. I like it, but it is Christmas today and this could be worn for New Year. I want to go ahead and add some glitter. So the glitter that I have out now, it's from SHOPWEARBEAUTY and this is in the color HEIRESS. It's a really pretty gold with reflex. Just using the NYX glitter primer. I'm putting some on the back of my hand. We're starting off with a little bit. We are done with this eye. This looks so freaking good. I'm so excited. Okay, so I finished my face. I'm almost done with my lips. All I did was just put lip liner and lip balm on. The lower lash line, I'm just going to be using these 4 brushes. And they're all from Morphe brushes. With the flat definer brush. This one is a M4110. This little dome brush and whatever product I have on there, I'm just gonna go ahead and start blending this out. Tiny blending brush. So I'm taking the Morphe Dark Room eyeliner and I'm just gonna go ahead and line my waterline. Taking some black eyeshadow from the Morphe 3502 and I'm just gonna go ahead and line my waterline with that as well to set the black eyeliner. You don't have to do this. This is totally optional. The only reason I do this is so the eyeliner can actually last longer and it doesn't run. So I'm going to go ahead and add mascara. And this is the finished result. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what it is that you guys would like to see next, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Honestly, how does makeup make you feel? Because it makes me feel fucking great. It makes me feel so confident, like I'm gonna go get the world, I'm gonna go get what I want, and I'm gonna get it how I want it.